Good day, everyone. Today, I will discuss three important characteristics of a 21st century teacher that I choose. We have flexible, creative problem solver, and lifelong learner. First is the flexible teacher. A flexible teacher can adjust teaching depending on the needs, ability, and the situations of the students because not all students learn the same way. So the teacher changes strategies to help everyone understand. For instance, the teacher notices some students cannot understand the lesson through the lecture. So instead of continuing discussion, the teacher gives a group activity using pictures, real objects, because visual learners and other slow learners will can catch up. So for the teachers, they must avoid one-way teaching only. They should prepare alternative activities, strategies, and assessments. For the students, must be feel included and supported because different learners like fast, average, and slow must all get a chance to catch up. Second is the creative problem solver. So in the creative problem solver, a creative problem-solving teachers find solutions, no, when challenges happen in class, even without perfect materials or conditions. So, for example, there's no laboratory equipment for a science experiment about the air pressure. So the teacher uses a bottle, balloon, and hot water instead. So students still understand the concept even without expensive tools or equipment. For the teachers will become resourceful and confident. Problems become opportunities for innovation instead of excuses. And for the students must learn that problems can be solved in many ways. This develops critical thinking and real life skills. And next, we have lifelong learner. Lifelong learner means that the teachers never stop studying. Even after graduating, the teacher continues learning new strategies, technologies, and knowledge. For example, the teacher attends webinars about interactive quizzes and applies them using online platforms in class. Students become more engaged and excited to participate. And for the teachers, these lifelong learners, they stay updated and effective. Their teaching does not become outdated. And for the students see a role model. They learn that learning does not end in school. It continues in life. And that's the lifelong learner. And for the reflection, among the three characteristics, I believe the most important is being flexible because classrooms today are very diverse, different abilities, personalities, and learning styles. Even the best lesson plan will fail if the teacher cannot adjust to the learners. A flexible teacher makes learning possible for everyone, not just for a few. And in the 21st century, education is not about teaching the lesson. It is about reaching every learners. Thank you.